Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the SIM card and the memory card in the Samsung A71. To do this operation, just stick the open tool here on the left side of your phone here, and this little hole right now, and there is a place for the 1 and 2 SIM card and 1 the memory card. So let's get do it. Here is the first SIM card, second SIM card, and the memory card is here. It's gonna be look like this. Whoop. As you see. And now place it into the small hole on the left side, slightly gently, tick. Okay, and now phone should be connect with your network here, 1 and 2 as you see, and should see your SD card in the option. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!